Yo, 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 it's your boy Dave coming at you, and we've got the Echo Buds. You guys already know how I feel about them. I don't like them. I'll throw a link right up here to the review and comparison I did with them and the AirPods Pro. Let's take these bad boys in the pool. Let's see how waterproof they actually are. Amazon claims they are IPX4 rated, which essentially just means splash proof, and you know, if you're sweating or light rain, stuff like that, but full-fledged water resistant, it ain't. But we about to check to see if, you know, maybe there's something good about these that I like. I don't know, man. We'll see. Let's jump into it. Well, into the video, but let's also jump into the pool. You see what I did there? That's kind of cool. I like that. I just realized I'm taking my iPhone 11 Pro underwater with me too. We all know it's already waterproof, but hey, I guess this is technically a waterproof test for that phone too. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and play some music. Got an album on right here, and everything's working just fine, as it should. I'm just gonna submerge myself about 2 feet. It's about 4 feet right here, so maybe 2 to 3 feet, and we're about to see if they work still underwater or if they just disconnect right away. Let's see. Let's go. Ready? So, guys, I've got to say they still work. I mean, no problem. That's kind of surprising. I'm gonna go for a little swim right now, and you'll just see me swim by, and I'm gonna see if they just cut out at all during that swim. I've dried them off a bit just to see if what it'd be like if you accidentally dropped them in, you know, some water. I only was submerged about 2 feet, and yeah, let's test them out for the first time. Okay, so they connected right away. I kid you not, the music just started playing. Yeah. And I hear everything just fine. Let me try that again. I mean, if you guys have saw my review on these, sorry guys, I was testing the difference between the two modes and they work just fine. Now, I've got pass-through on, but it doesn't sound like pass-through's on at all. Yeah, no, it is. I mean, it's the pass-through, in my opinion, is so bad on these things that you can't even really tell that much of a difference. You can, but it still just doesn't sound that nice. Okay, so yeah, I mean, they sound just as they did before I had them in the water, so I guess that's a good thing. All right, guys, so I let these rest for about 3 hours in the sun. From the outside, they're just completely dry. We'll see if they still work. They were working before, but you know how electronics are. Sometimes it just takes a minute for that water to really seep in and just ruin them. I get it. Most of you guys out there will not be using these to swim with. Actually, no one will be. And if you are, why would you? That's not what they're designed for, and you're eventually going to break them. But let's say if you dropped them in some water and you want to see, you know, if they're going to work, you know, a bit later. So it's been about 3 hours. Instantly, I can say, yeah, they've connected. Noise cancellation is on right now, and pass-through works, so that's cool. That's cool already, that both different modes work no problem. We're about to play something here, and it works just fine. Like, literally sounds just as it did before I fully submerged them in water. So it's safe to say, guys, if you accidentally dropped them in some water, you go running with them and it's pouring down rain, I think you're gonna be just fine. Don't worry about that too much, but you know, try to dry them off as soon as possible. And that's only been 3 hours, so you know, I mean, just let it rest for a day and you'll definitely be good. All right, guys, if you want to see me throw these in the washing machine where it's just submerged for like 30 minutes, let me know, because I feel like that would be a common problem people have, just, you know, leaving them in your, you know, pants pocket, etc. Now, if you want to also see the AirPods Pro being water tested, shoot a comment below. I might be doing that too next. Okay, guys, as always, make sure to subscribe so you stay updated with all these new videos I've got coming out, and smash that like button. Don't be shy, and yeah, love you guys. See you in the next one.